Official Thailand vlog! We're just currently waiting dun sa Grab. So, pwede naman gamitin yung Grab app from the Philippines. Automatic naman siyang magpapalit ng interface para dito sa Thailand. Parang mas maganda kung meron na lang kayong nabook na private transfer via Klook. Magkano yung nabook mo?
I just booked. It's 315.
At 315
But since
Thai
I use
baht.
MasterCard, it's less 100.
Wow! For the first use, how many people yung seat?
4.
For 4 people, so dalawa yung binook, right?
That's right.
Yes. So, ito yung mini room tour natin. So, for this room, dalawa kami ni Tita Shirley dito. It's a twin bed, pero pinagdikit nila. So, tig-isa kami. Siguro dito na lang ako, tapos dito si Tita. And then, meron siyang mini fridge. Tapos may outlet doon. And then, meron TV and safe dito. Also, sabitan ng mga damit. And then, yung parang pinaka-cute part dito is itong toothbrush area. Meron tayo dito ang dalawang cup, dalawang bottled water. Tapos meron tissue, provided na rin, siguro everyday. And then toothbrushes, shower cap, and then cotton buds, and itong hair dryer. Tapos meron din tayong hand wash dito. Mini shower area and toilet area. So, provided naman yung towels. Tapos, provided din ang shampoo, conditioner, and then body wash. Yun. So, yun lang yung mini room tour natin. Very cute naman siya. Tapos, bale, dalawa kami ni Tita Shirley dito. Tapos, dito sa other room, dito naman sila Lola, tsaka si Chin. So, same na same lang siya ng look. At tulog na nga sila. Tapos, ipapakita ko na lang din sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng room nila Christian. Pero, mas malaki yung sa kanila kasi tatlo sila doon. Baka mag-breakfast na lang din muna kami ng 6 a.m. Kasi time check, it's already 5:22 a.m. Ito talaga yung inaantay kong matikman. Yung stir-fried noodle nila with egg. Tapos, meron tayong stir-fried black pepper with chicken. Tapos, meron din rin tayong broccoli with oyster sauce. And then, tomatoes with cheese. Meron ding chicken sausage. Tapos, yun nga yung ginagawa ni Christian. Parang DIY na miso soup. So, ikaw maglagay ng tofu mo, ng mga gulay-gulay. Narn! Ba? Tapos dito naman, for salad and sandwich. So, meron tayong egg sandwich, yogurt, wow, healthy. May watermelon and melon. Tapos may cucumber din, kamatis, corn. Yan. So, ikaw nagagawa na sarili mga salads. Pwede ka rin umorder ng egg na gusto mo. Normal naman din yan sa mga ibang hotels. And then, meron tayong bread station dito. So, may jams and then butter. Tapos, ito may toaster kung gusto mo toasted yung bread mo. Tapos, ayan si Tita. Kumuha siya ng coffee. Ayan. So, kakain na muna kami. Nakapang-tulog outfit na ako actually. So, ito yung fit natin pang tulog. Thank you. Shout out kay Ate Jihan. Ay, Ate Jihan, kung nanonood ka ng vlog ko, shout ko yung bigay mo sa akin na pantulog. So, we're going to try their Thai ice cream. So, this is Thai Royal ice cream. And we have taro, corn, coconut milk, orange, lodchong, I don't know what that is, mango, triple fruit, and ruamit. Okay, so ito yung binili natin. This is for 25 baht, sabi nila. I'm not sure if mura ba yun or what, pero medyo maliit lang siya. Let's see. Let's try.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! It's officially our day 1 here in Bangkok, Thailand. And it's December 24, 2025. So meaning, maki-Christmas dinner kami mamayang gabi. And ang napili naming activity for tonight is dinner cruise doon sa may Chao Phraya River. So we have booked this via Klook. And makikita namin yung iba't ibang tourist attractions na pwede namin puntahan for the next few days. Like yung Wat Arun, then yung mga iba pang mga temples. So from afar na lang muna namin sila appreciate. Tapos for the next few days na lang natin sila officially pupuntahan. But time check, it's already 2:47 p.m. in the afternoon. So medyo maaga pa kasi 8 p.m. pa yung binook namin. So ang pupuntahan na lang muna natin right now is yung mismong Siam Square or yung Icon Siam. So magmo-malling na lang muna kami para chill lang yung first day namin. Pero highlight na syempre is yung dinner cruise nga. So, yun lang muna yung pupuntahan natin. And ito lang yung napili kong outfit. Simple black dress lang siya. Siguro mamaya makikita nyo siya better. Ito lang din yung makeup natin. I think tinatawagan na ako. So, let's go! Okay, fit check muna tayo. Kasi as you know, hindi kami magkasama sa room ni Christian. Pero apparently, color coordinated naman kami. So pareho kami, naka-dark theme today. Naka-black ako, siya naka-top na gray and then black pants. I think we look good together. What do you guys think? Simple lang, diba? Tapos naka-sandals lang ako. Tapos may black bag lang din ako. Tapos syempre, it's a must na meron kayong fan. Yes, I also have a fan. Siyempre maglalakad-lakad tayo. So, dapat may dala tayo na fan para lagi tayong fresh. Ayaw natin na naglalagkit, lalo na to, maarte to pag nalalagkit tayo.
Ayusin ako.
So, yun, mag-book na kami ng Grab. And malapit lang yung Siam Square dito. Yan, meron na. Ang rate neto is 146 baht lang. So, mura lang naman siya kasi malapit lang to. Hi, tita!
Nakita niyo yun? Hinintay na ako ng driver ko.
Wow! Tesla! Grabe naman yung driver mo. Yan yung Grab mo.
Daydreaming.
Hindi ako sanay dyan nga pala yung harap, guys. Welcome to Ermita. Charot. Parang Ermita lang, guys. BYD represent.
Parang Green Hills pala to.
I think mababalo yung mga kapatid kapag nakita tong Pop Mart na to, guys.
Ano yung mga best?
Grabe, ang cute dito. Sabi ni Christian, ito na daw yata yung favorite niya dito sa Bangkok. Pero ito pa lang kasi napupuntahan namin. So, it's too early to tell. Anong pinicturan mo?
Lubot.
Yan daw.
Mga street foods.
May laksa? Fairness, mura dito. Tingnan nyo na lang mga price, guys. I-times 2 nyo lang, parang mga 198 lang siya. Ganon.
Ay, sumama ng chicken. Sorry. Hey, chicken skin.
masasabi niya sa Siam Square?
I think it's amazing. I love this place.
Ikaw.
DJ Siam in the house.
Ano masasabi mo sa Siam Square?
Ano siya, hindi siya square.
Ikaw, Lola, ano masasabi mo dito?
Hindi na alam nasan tayo ngayon eh.
Asan ba tayong bansa, Lola?
Bansa tayo ngayon.
Sabi ni Lola, nasa Vietnam daw tayo. Okay, tapos na kami sa Siam Square and kumain na rin kami doon sa Inter Restaurant. Ang sarap ng pad thai talaga, yung makaget over. Ito yung itsura dito sa labas. Para lang ako nasa Ortigas, papuntang Mega Mall. Yan yung vibes niya. Pero sana, matry din natin mag-motorcycle. Pero tingnan na lang natin kung kaya yon sa Thailand trip na to. Or maybe next time na lang. Just see you again sa Icon Siam. We've already got the tickets for the Luxury White Dinner Cruise. Naka 25% off siya sa Klook pag apat kayong magbo-book. Pero I'm not sure lang until when yon, but yun yung deal na nakuha namin now. And then, nandito tayo ngayon sa Icon Siam. So far, ito yung mga stores. Tapos may parang mga tiangge or mga kainan dito. Pro tip lang pala guys, majority talaga dito sa Thailand, nagre-require sila ng cash payment. So, wala masyadong card dito. Kahit yung mga malls minsan or yung mga restaurants, wala silang card payment. So, better bring cash. Mag-money exchange na lang kayo para hindi kayo pabalik-balik din sa ATM withdrawal kasi medyo malaki yung fee or yung charge nila kapag nag-withdraw kayo. Pero now, ang gusto ko talaga matry is yung Chatramu. Let's get the direction. Yay! Finally going to try yung Chatramu. Kaka-order lang namin ng tatlong Thai milk tea. 50 baht each lang siya. So, total of 150. It's so refreshingly good. Sarap. Sarap. Meron pa silang pearl. Wala siyang pearl. Try nyo talaga to guys. It's a must try here in Thailand. Hi! Merry Christmas! About to ride the luxury dinner cruise. 8 p.m. siya, but time check is already 7:50ish p.m. So we have to rush. Uy, may pogi!
Son.
Ikaw! Yee! I love you! Pumapasok sila sa The Opulence na dinner cruise, and then you can see right here, yan yung sa amin, which is yung the Luxury White Dinner Cruise. What in the Black Mirror episode is this? Merry Christmas!
Feliz Navidad. Pa para pa pa. Feliz Navidad. Pa para pa pa. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año e felicidad. Bye 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 bye. Good night everyone. Good night.
Souvenir!
Hi guys! So, kakababa lang namin sa The Luxury White. Thank you.
Picturean ko kayo as a family.
Mama ka
Go,
na,
guys.
family ka.
Aww.
I think this is a good place.
Yes, I think so too. So, nag-van na lang kami. Yan yung itsura niya. Sobrang cute.
Vlog take over. Kasi inaantok na yung may-ari ng vlog. Ba yun? Tita. Anyways. Pupunta kasi kami sa 7-Eleven ni Bones. Maghahanap kami ng weed. Hindi kami naghanap ng weed. Yan si Bones. Check lang namin kung may bitaw yung 7-Eleven dito. Si 7 Evelyn. May bitaw. Bumubukas ha. Sampulan ko kayo. Sige. Close that. O, diba? Kita niyo yun? Sabi ko sa kanya, pamasok siya. Mercury Drugstore vibes ha. Okay, kakaiba yung trip dito. Okay, ang first impression ko ay nakaka-overstimulate ako. Meron ako nakita dito kanina, mga ads. Betagen. Meron siyang probiotic drink, tas 15 grams of protein. Ano naman yun? Hanapin natin. Maganda yun gawin sa Philippines as business idea. Huwag niyo ako unahan dun ha. Grabe oh, high protein yung vitamin nila. 26 grams. Damn. Look at that. 15 grams of protein. You know? Tapos probiotic. Grabe. Tikman natin. Charis. Hey. It's the G-Walk. Guys, mission accomplished. Here, we're back. Time to rest. And we'll see you tomorrow.
So, iba pala yung food everyday kasi kahapon, di ba parang stir-fried noodle siya. So now, macaroni with tomato sauce, braised eggs with pork belly, scrambled eggs, chicken and chicken sausage. Tapos yan, meron pa rin yung miso soup. Hi guys! It's our day 2 here in Bangkok, Thailand. And nakapag-prepare na ako and tapos na rin kami mag-breakfast. Pero actually, etong damit na suot ko ngayon, hindi sa akin to. Nahiram ko lang siya kay Tita Shirley dun sa mommy ni Christian. So, ito yung buong outfit. A plain white blouse. Tapos, plain white long skirt. And then this is our makeup look for today. Fresh lang. Tapos, yung nilagyan ko lang ng parang clam yung ilalim ng hair ko. Para maging voluminous yung hair ko. sa likod. Very tita lang yung outfit and very temple ready. Maybe mga 2 temple lang yung mapupunta namin for today. Kasi sa What a Room, magre-rent tayo ng costume. So, let's go! Merry Christmas! Bigay ito ng hotel. Hello! Hi! Okay, so sasakay tayo ng van going to What a Room! Ito yung van. Sorry ka!
Hi.
So, on the way na tayo to What a Room. Excited na ako today! Absolute Tide Premium Makeup look. Pero since naka-makeup na ako, hindi ko na siya kailangan. So, si tita ang magpapa-hair and makeup overall.
Press baht for her,
Mm-hmm.
and then 250 baht for you, one shoe and one umbrella, and then only costume up for her.
Yes.
One shoe and umbrella
Yes.
also, and then 2 men.
Yes, 2 men.
Photographer 1 hour for 4 person.
Yes.
So the total price is 3,650.
So initially, I thought I was gonna wear gold, but I have colored pink option right here. She said, looks better on me. So, alika! Ang napili nating hairstyle for today ay high bun. Honestly, I was considering to have yung hair down, but it's hot outside. That's why I chose the high bun. I have very long hair, alam niyo naman guys. Kaya dapat ngayon, ang pinipili natin kapag may tagatali tayo, yung nakataas yung buhok. I was actually opting for a gold outfit, but they said I fit better in pink. So, we chose pink. So, yan naman ang outfit ni Chan. So, bagay naman kami kasi white yung pinili niya. Tapos, ito si Tita. Hi, Tita. Magpapa-hair and makeup siya. Yung full package kay Tita. Elsa ka dyan. Hi, Tito and Lola. Hello po. Wow, may pa-free water. Hi, Tito. Sabi niya kanina ayaw niya pa magbihis. So,
Nauna pa ako.
fit check. Nauna pa siya magbihis. Hello, Prinsipe. Tapos biglang may estudyante, sobrang random. Okay, here we go. Whee! Wow, it's so nice. Wow. Wow.
naimatay. Sheesh, ang ganda, grabe. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang Latino.
Yeah, sure. Wow. Pwede, pwede. Thank you.
Kung walang ito, ano lang, for tips. Ang tablet ng sauce na ito, dahil.
Mas may bito kapag ka nag-selfie ka.
Okay, so we're in Song Viet. We're in Thailand, pero we're eating Vietnam food. Tikman natin to. This is grilled pork with egg, tas rice. Tas may gulay, as usual. Tas meron tayong parang mini hot pot dito.
Ano?
And then we also have spring roll.
Ang tablet ito? Lahat ng yakatsoba?
We also have banh mi. Hinahati na namin. Okay. Ganda!
Really?
Edible.
Okay, they have pad thai, tapos may milk tea ata dito. up para sa Techuca. So while waiting, they've already handed us out their signature menu. Tapos as you can see here, their price ranges from 350 baht to 500 Thai baht. Ganito kadami yung tao dito sa line yun. Pero fast moving naman siya. I got the yuzu colada. Taste test. Hi guys! Good morning! It's our day 3 here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we are currently here in Mae Klong Railway Station. I think it's about 1 hour from our hotel getting here, and nag-rent na lang kami ng van. So 3,000 baht for 10 hours, and then we think yung van na yun is good for maximum of 10 people, pero 7 packs lang naman kami, so medyo maluwag pa siya para sa amin. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung ano yung itinerary talaga for today. May susunod-sunod lang kami dun sa kung saan kami dadalhin ng van. Hey!
Pat? Yes. P-A-T. Yes.
Pat, thank you very much.
Kakon ka! Hi! Ayan, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Platinum Mall and then mamimili tayo ng mga pasulubong tsaka ng Christmas gifts dito. And syempre, para mga personal na rin ng mga damit. But, for now, since hindi pa kami nagkakaroon ng proper meal aside from our breakfast, nakain na kami dito sa 6th floor sa Platinum Mall. And actually, mapapansin nyo guys, parang bloodshot na yung eyes ko. I think it's because of konti lang yung tulog ko kasi lagi kaming maaga nagigising to prepare. Pero okay lang yan kasi uwi na rin naman na tayo bukas. So we're here in Hot Tod and Pad Thai. Siyempre, ang order natin is Pad Thai with prawn. Which is 100 pala. 100 Thai baht. Pad Thai. Si Christian naman dito siya bibili. Ano yung tingin mong gusto mong orderin? Fried rice with basil, minced pork or chicken. 80 plus 10. By the way guys, gumamit pala kami netong Platinum Food Floor cash card. So bahala ka na kung magkano yung ilalagay mo bago ka maka-order dito. Lahat ng mga food dito may nakalagay na cash card and prompt pay only. So ito yung sample ng cash card. Yan na yung kay Christian. Parang solid yung fried egg ah. May 40 pa na natitira dito. Maghahanap tayo ng 40. So, ito yung nakita ko na 40 Thai baht dito. So, siguro, let's just try yung espresso roast nila.
Thank you.
Thank you! Here's our 40 Thai baht iced coffee. Parang sobrang strong ng coffee. Shopping time! So, there's a chatramu here and chance na natin to mag-chatramu ulit. Since uuwi na tayo bukas, mag-chatramu na tayo ulit for the second and maybe the last time here in Thailand. I bought from this shop. It's so cute. And then I will show Chan what I bought. Hi, Bon. Buksan mo kung ano to.
Bogrisito, lemoncito, and bogi.
So cute! Ala, ang cute ng Grab. Color pink. Tapos yung driver namin, babae. Amazing. Ayun si Ate Sis.